Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rajeshwar. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, yes, it will be over. Yes, GATE syllabus will be over, right? Within 8 months. Within 8 months, it will be over. Within 8 months. Syllabus will be over within 8 months. Syllabus will be over within 8 months. 8 months I will complete. 8 months only I will complete. 4 months you can do practice. 4 months you can do practice. 4 months you can do practice. DSA people, 3 months syllabus will be completed. 3 months syllabus will be completed. 3 months practice. That is the plan. GATE people, 8 months syllabus will be completed. 6 to 8 months I am thinking. 6 to 8 months syllabus will be completed. 4 months, right? 4 months, right? I think 4 to 6 months you can do practice. DSA, 3 months syllabus will be completed. 3 months practice. Yeah, you can ask me, right? As personally you can ask me. This is my WhatsApp number. You can ask me personally, right? Whatever possible I will help you. This is the WhatsApp number. You can ask me personally, I will help you. Sir, in DSA will C programming also will be done, right? In C, right, both will be done in DSA. Data structure with Python also will be done. Data structure with C also will be done. Both will be done. Whichever you want, you can attend. Whichever you want, you can attend. DSA in Python, DSA in C language. Both will be done. You can attend whichever you want. Yeah, someone is saying full number not visible. So 88820. So I will write once again. 8820 89903. Yeah, can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? All people came? Can we go ahead? All people there? Suman, can we go ahead? Shivam also there, Yash also there, Suman also, Shivam is there, Suman there, Sarkar is there, Dinesh is there. Where is Goyal? Where is Goyal? Goyal भैया कहाँ पे? गोयल भैया कहाँ पे? गोयल भैया कहाँ पे? Rupam there, hi Rupam, Atul there, Soumya is there. गोयल भैया कहाँ पे? Dinesh there, Deepak there. Ayush there, Satyam there. Yeah, let's start now. Let's start. Yeah, so if anyone, right? So there is a one group. I will join you in that group. There is a one group. I will join you in that group. So if anyone, right? If anyone is not pinged me, this is my WhatsApp number. You can ask me any doubt. I will send some material also. Very soon I will start sending some material also. It will be really useful to you. If anyone is not done, so you can WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. You can ping me. I will add you in the group, right? So any updates are there, right? Any updates are there regarding classes, and one more thing is any material is there, I will send to you. Right? Let's start now. I'm starting now. Let's start now. Can you help me now? Yesterday, how many problems we done? I think yesterday we done 3 problems. Can you say finally, what is the meaning of time complexity finding? Time complexity finding is nothing but finding loops. If many loops are there, larger loop. Right? Someone is saying that, Ropam is saying that, please select hard and moderate questions. Ropam, these are kids. So you are like Papa, these are kids. So why you want to kill kids? Ropam, you are like Papa and Mama, these are kids. Why you want to kill kids? If I start solving difficult and moderate questions, that Sarkar will file a case on me. If I start solving difficult and moderate questions, Sarkar will file a case on me. I will go to jail, then you will be very happy. Sarkar is ready. He is ready to file a case on me. See, there is a Purohit also there. Purohit means Pandit. Purohit also there. So while I am going to jail, right? He will do puja and all. Purohit Bhaiya will do puja and all. Right? Let's start. Start now. So I will go by flow. Ropam madam, control. Yeah. So time complexity means finding loops only. If many loops are there, find larger loop. Now go to the next one now. Example 4. Fourth example. Example 4. Fourth example, main. Everyone, so at the end of the today's class, you are okay with the time complexity. Because sir, I am your student. Yes, I can understand. Don't do emotional blackmailing. Ropam madam, don't blackmail me emotionally. I am your student. I know you are my student. Don't do emotional blackmailing, madam. Right, see this one. Main. X is equal to a plus b, y is equal to c plus d, e is equal to f plus g, g is equal to e plus y, h is equal to x plus c. End of this program. Can anyone say what is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say what is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say time complexity of this program? Yeah, if anyone don't like, please like the channel. If anyone don't like, please like the channel. Please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. Please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. Please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. If anyone don't like, please like the channel. Like the channel. It will take, liking channel will take constant time. Liking channel will take only just constant time. Like the channel, liking channel will take only constant time. It will take only constant time. Order of 1. Liking channel will take only constant time. Order of 1. Those people who are not liking, God is seeing from top. Those people who are not liking, God is seeing from top. He will like you. If you don't like me, right, he also don't like you. If you don't like the channel, he also don't like you. God is seeing from top. Just it will take 1 minute. Yeah, someone is saying our problem also will take constant time. Exactly. See, no loop is there. Time complexity big O of 1. If no loop is there, time complexity big O of 1. Remember, time complexity big O of 1. Sometimes people will write time complexity big O of 1. Some people will write omega of 1 also. That is also correct. Big O of 1 correct. Omega of 1 also correct. Theta of 1 also correct. But what is the difference? Afterwards I will say to you. Sometimes big O of 1, sometimes omega of 1, sometimes theta of 1. Sometimes big O of 1, sometimes omega of 1, sometimes theta of 1. All will be same, but right, definitely there is a difference, but in this problem all are same. What is the difference? Afterwards I will let you know. What is the difference? Afterwards I will let you know. Right, perfect. Let's go to the next one. I think this problem everyone find. Can I say why this program time complexity constant? Because no loop is there, means time complexity constant. Order of 1 means constant time. Remember, order of 1 as it is like order of 20, as it is like order of 30. All called as constant time. All called as constant time. Order of 1, order of 20, order of 30. Everything is considered to be constant time. Everything considered to be constant time because no loop. Because no loop. Right? Because no loop. Right? Yes, perfect. Everyone is fine now. Everyone is fine now. Can you go to the next one? Can you go to the next one? Example 5. Example 5. Example 5. Main. Main. Example 5. Main. X is equal to y plus z. For I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. I plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. Next one. For I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. I plus plus. For j is equal to 1. J less than or equal to n. J plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. End of this for loop. End of this for loop. End of this for loop. Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Yesterday we done. Aman is saying, where is your green curtain? Some thief is stolen. Where is your green curtain? Some thief stolen. Some thief like you stolen. Are Aman, your buyer stolen the green curtain. Some thief is stolen. What is the time complexity of this program? Please learn properly. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. Please learn properly. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. Please learn properly. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. If anyone is not taken subscription, right? Gate CSE plus DSA. Next one, Gate CSE plus DA plus DSA. Gate CSE plus DA. Gate DA plus DSA. Gate DA. Gate CSE. And one more important thing is the DSA class. DSA class. These all are admissions are open. All are there. Those people who want to join, those people who want to start the preparation, please start soon. Please start soon. Otherwise you will be victim. Otherwise you will be victim. Otherwise you will be victim. Please start soon. Second, 1 year course also there, 2 year course also there. 1 year also there, 2 year also there. Right? So if you take this one, advantage is going to be test series is there. Toppers notes also available. 20 years PYQs also available. RIC also there. Right? Test series is there. Toppers notes is there. 20 years PYQs are there with solution. RIC also available. Right? If you join the DSA only, 200 questions practice also there. You are able to crack most of the companies. You are able to crack most of the companies. Yeah, can you come here now? What is the time complexity of this program? I don't know. Yesterday we done this problem. Yesterday we done this problem. What is the answer for this? Yesterday we done. Time complexity of this program. Yesterday we done. What is the answer? We already done yesterday this problem. What will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity? Can you see this one? Everyone know. Everyone know. In this program it is the first statement. In this program it is the second statement. In this program it is the third statement. First statement order of magnitude is 1. Second statement, order of magnitude is n. Order of magnitude means a statement is executing how many time. While running, a statement will execute how many time, right? While running, the statement will execute n time. Next one, each I value j will repeat n time. Each I value 1, j will repeat n time. I value 2, j will repeat n time. I value 3, j value will repeat n time, and so on. N times n square. N times n square. If 2 times n, 2n, 3 times n, 3n, 4 times n, 4n, n times n, nn. N times n, nn. 2 times 2n, 3 times 3n, 2 times 2n, 3 times 3n, n times nn. N times nn, so n square. So order of magnitude, if you calculate for all the people, n square plus n plus 1, which is nothing but big O of n square. Yesterday already we done. Time complexity of this program is order of n square. Yesterday we are already done. Time complexity means loops only. If more loops are there, take larger loop. Some people are asking, then why you explaining this one, sir? Why you explain? See this one. Why you explain? Nothing there. Small change I want to do. See this one. Small change. Let us assume that it is not n. It is not n. Assume it is n by 2. Suppose assume that it is not n. It is n by 2. N by 2. Each I value 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 n by 2. N times n by 2. N square by 2. This will become n square by 2. This will become, see this one, n square by 2, n and plus 1. Who is the bigger one? N square by 2 is bigger. N square by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into n square. Forget about constant big O of 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 n square. 1 by 2 into n square. 1 by 2 is a constant big O of n square. Big O of n square. The actual answer is n square by 2 plus n plus 1. In front of n square, n and plus 1 is smaller, so n and plus 1 neglect. N square by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into n square. 1 by 2 is a constant, so simply order of n square. Right? Please careful. Please careful. Please careful. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Let me know if anyone having doubt. I think I done 5 problems. I done 5 problems. Example 6. I think 6 problems over, right? 6 problems are over. 4, 5, sorry for this 6th problem. It is the 6th problem. Are you okay till now? Yes sir, I can blindly follow you because help me a lot in DSA and Algo. Because of you sir, I am working as a software developer at HCL. Thank you so much Rupam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, let's go to next problem. Main. If anyone having any doubt, you can post in the group. Target AIR with 100 CSC. His name itself is Target AIR with 100 CSC. Array target, you don't have any name. Name itself is target. His name itself is Target AIR within 100 CSC. Okay, good boy. See the main. I think now let's start the next one. Now. While I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. While I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. I is equal to I plus 1. Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity of this program? target ready sir. Are Suman Gootle. Are Suman Gootle. If you target me, what you will get? Target gate. Are Gootle. Are Suman Gootle. If you target me, what you will get? Target gate. Target DSA. Target gate. Target DSA. Venkatesh, you came yesterday's class. Venkatesh, you came yesterday's class. You came yesterday's class or not? Venkatesh, you came yesterday's class. I didn't see you yesterday. Arey Venkatesh, I didn't see you yesterday. Where is Goyal? Where is Goyal? If you find Goyal anywhere, please catch him. Goyal may be roaming in the market. Go and catch him. Hi, Goyal is there. Good boy. Goyal came. Good boy. Hi. Hi, Venkatesh. Hi, Goyal. Yeah, can you say what is the answer of this? I want answer from you. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? After 1.3 hours I left the class. Okay. I didn't see you. Anyhow. Can you say this? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this one? It is the problem number 7. Sorry, problem number 6. Can you see the time complexity? I is equal to 1. Listen. I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to n, condition true. 2 less than or equal to n, condition true. 3 less than or equal to n, condition true. 4 also. 5 also. 6 also. 7 also. n less than or equal to n also, condition true. N less than or equal to n also, condition true. So whenever I value becomes n plus 1, n plus 1 less than or equal to n, fail. So pass happened until here. See this one. This loop is repeating n time. Every time 2 people are running. So 2 into every time 2 people, like that n time. So time complexity 2n. 2 is a constant which can be written as, forget about constant, order of n. Right? Every time 2 people are running, like that n times. Every time 2 people running, like that n times. 2n. 2 is a constant, n time. Target AR within 100. Rupam, you are working in a prestigious organization. Still you are trying in forget. What is the problem? What is your problem? Right? What is your problem? Target bhaiya. What is your problem? Why you bother? Maybe she want to try Microsoft. She want to try Google. She want to go to IIT. What is your problem? Target bhaiya. What is your problem? Time complexity of this program is actually 2n. Rishabh Shukla saying that, hey, even I was working in SCL, it's not prestigious organization. Now target bhaiya, what you do? My classroom became a metro station. My classroom purpose is discussing about HCL company, TCS company, Infosys company. My classroom became a metro station. Discussing about TCS, Infosys, HCL, Arisent, right? Accenture, right? Discussing about all these companies. Arey, target Gootle, name only target, but your target is different. Arey, Google, listen. So time complexity of this program is 2n, right? So time complexity is order of n. Anyone having problem, please check. Right. So can I go to next problem? So until now if you okay, please say okay. Please say okay until now. Until now if you okay, please say okay. Please say okay. If you are okay till now, please say okay, so that we can move to the next problem. If you are okay till now, please say okay, so that we will go to the next. So that we will go to next. Yeah, all the people, whoever watching, all the people, please write go to hell. All the people whoever watching, please say go to hell target. Go to hell target. Please write go to hell target. Please write go to hell target. Whoever watching, please write go to hell target. Go to hell target. Chalo, next problem. Problem number 7. Problem number 7. Mean. Problem number 7. Mean. X is equal to y plus z. Sorry. Problem number 7. From now onwards, everyone careful. Some dangerous problems are coming. I is equal to 1. While I less than or equal to n. While I is equal to I less than or equal to n. Can you help me? One small line. I is equal to I plus 1. What will be the time complexity? I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 1. What will be the time complexity? Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity? Just a small change there. Please take care. What is the time complexity? Small change there. What is the time complexity? Someone is saying that no statement there. This itself is one statement. Omega also you can say, theta also you can say, big O also you can say whatever you want. All same. Some point of time they will differ. As of now all are same. What is the time complexity? Right, now listen everyone now. As of now everyone listen. So I is always incrementing by 1. See this one. I is always incrementing by 1. If I is always incrementing by 1, this loop will repeat n by 1 time. If I is always incrementing by 1, this loop will repeat n by 1 time. Suppose I is equal to I plus 10, this loop will repeat n by 10 times. I is always incrementing plus 10, this loop will repeat n by 10 times. I is always incrementing by 100, this loop will repeat n by 100. If at all I is always incrementing plus 2, this loop will repeat by n by 2. If I is always incrementing by I is equal to I plus 20, right, this loop will repeat n by 20. n by 20. If anyone having small doubt, please check here. I is always incrementing by 20. Assume that n is 100. See what happened. 1 less than or equal to 100, true. Then go inside. Then I value increment by 20. So 21 less than or equal to 100. Go inside. I is always incrementing by 20. 41 less than or equal to 100. Right? Again go inside. Next one. Again 20. 61 less than or equal to 100. Again 20. 81 less than or equal to 100. Again 20. 101 less than or equal to 100. Fail. If you want, you can check how many times you are able to go inside. Inside I am able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, you can check. 100 by 20 is 5. 5 times loop repeated. If you want, you can check loop repeated 5 times. I is always incrementing by 20. Loop repeated n by 20. I is always incremented by 5. Loop is incremented by 5. I is always incremented by 100. So n by 100. If n value 100, n by 100. So the time complexity of this problem is going to be n by 20. The time complexity of this program is going to be n by 20. 1 by 20 is a constant into n, which can be written as big O of n. Time complexity of this program, big O of n. Thank you Sudeep. Yeah, thank you so much my kid. Thank you so much. Thank you Sudeep. I remembered Sudeep. Thank you so much. I am proud to have these kind of students. Thank you so much. So, right, n by 20, right? So, n by 20 can be written as 1 by 20 into n. 1 by 20 into n. So, order of n. The time complexity of this program is going to be, see, as a CSE person, these are needed. Please learn. Don't say these are gay. Don't say these are for software companies. Only one DSA is there. Please learn proper DSA. Please don't go for shortcut. Only one DSA is there. Only one DSA. If you go for shortcut, finally you don't get anything. Thank you Venki. Thank you so much. Thank you Akib. Thank you so much. Yeah, can we go to next problem? Please check. Anyone having doubt, please check. As a CSE person, these all needed. Someday they all will come. The people who are studying in the big companies, the people who are working in the big company, they know all these things. Don't go for shortcut. Learn all the things properly. Somehow result will come back. Somehow you don't know from which side result will come. Result will come from left side or right side, from top, from bottom, you don't know. Some point of time, some side result will come. The only thing is, you please keep on improve. You don't need to go to result. Result will come to you. When you have knowledge. Let's go to next problem. Example 7 over. Let's go to example 8. Main, I hope everyone got now. See this one. I value 1. I am expecting answer. While I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 5. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 5. What is the time complexity of this program? Yeah, I think some, right? Goyal Ji, I think right nearer to my house some songs are playing. So that is not there in my hand. It is out of my control. It is out of my control. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Say clearly how much. Say clearly how much. Say clearly how much. Clearly how much? N by 5. Clearly how much? N by 5. N by 5. This can be written 1 by 5 into n. This can be written order of n. Time complexity of this program is going to be n by 5, 1 by 5 into n, order of n. Learn all of them, learn all of them, learn all of them. Please inform to second year people, please inform to third year people, please inform to fourth year people. These are really required. Second year people, third year people, fourth year people, please inform them. These are required to them. If they learn properly, many opportunities will come. Okay, fine. Can you help me know what is the answer of this? I is equal to I plus 5, then n by 5. See this one. I is equal to I plus 5, then n by 5. Suppose if I write one more line, I is equal to I plus 7. I is equal to I plus 7 if I write, first for I you are adding 5, next you are adding for I 7, total becomes, right, I you are adding 12. This became, right, this became, time complexity became n by 12. This became, right, 1 by 12 into n. This became big O of n. If at all 2 there, this is the answer. If only 1 is there, then n by 5. Suppose I is equal to I plus 7, only 1 is there, n by 7. I is equal to I plus 5, right, I is equal to I plus 5, right, n by 5. I is equal to I plus 7, n by 7. If both are there, total how much you are adding? You are adding total 12. Total you are adding 12, n by 12, 1 by 12 into n, order of n. Suppose if I add one more line, I is equal to I plus 100, then it will become already 12 there, 112. Then it became 112, 1 by 112 into n, so order of n. Order of n. Fine. 112 order of n. Some people are asking me, sir, why are you removing constants, sir? Constant I am not removing. Priori analysis removed. Constant I didn't remove. Priori analysis removed. Priori analysis is saying that think about only logic, not the processor type, not the language of the compiler. Language of compiler, type of processor will change by constant factor. But major thing is given by programmer logic. Major thing given by programmer logic. Programmer logic time complex order of n. Forget about small constant. I am not eliminated the constant. Priori analysis removed the constant. Priori analysis saying that I don't give exact answer. I will give approximate answer. Priori analysis saying that your logic is important, not constants. Priori analysis saying that logic is important, not constants. Right? So type of the CPU, language of the compiler will change by constant factor. But time complexity, actual time complexity decided by logic only. Actual time complexity decided by logic only. If you okay, I can go to the next problem. Venkatesh saying n square. Venkatesh is saying n square. Are Venkatesh, how n square came? Venkatesh is saying n square. How n square came? Oh, good boy. Okay, fine. If you okay, can you go to the next problem? 8th problem is over. Go to the 9th problem. Example 9. Go to the ninth problem. Mean. I is equal to n while I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 1. Can you help me? What is the answer of this? I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 1. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? See, those people who are there in the class, please remember, one day you cannot do anything. Continuously. One day you don't achieve anything. See, do you believe or not? To learn A also, when you are a small kid, right, LKG, UKG like that, to learn A, alphabet A also, you went many days. Alphabet B also, to learn A only, you went 1 year. To learn ABCD, you went 2 years. To learn 1, 2, 3 numbers, you went 1 year. So nothing will come easily. To learn ABCD, 1 year, 2 year you spent. To learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 year, 2 year you spent. Slowly will come. So learn every day. Continuity is more important. One week coming, 1 week not coming. 1 day coming, 1 day not coming. So you don't achieve anything. Continuously how to learn? Continuously. You have to learn continuously. Otherwise you are the loser. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? In this program, see this one. In this program, I started from big number keep on decreasing until 1. So, previous program, this program same. The only difference is previously I is small, I increased. Now I is big, I decreased. Right? Previously, yeah, it may be for a little bit, right? Within few minutes, the answer will change. So Goel is saying that every time complexity coming order of n, but initial program order of 1, na? Initial program order of 1, right? Goel bhaiya, initial time complexity order of 1, na? It depending upon program, how you write, right? Now see this one. In this program, if you observe, all I is always decrementing by 1. Previous program, this program same. Previous program started from I small number, then increment. Now you started from big number, decrement. See this one. Initially I value 100 assume. 100 became 99. 99 became 98 and so on. 1. So 100 is greater than or equal to 1 true. Right, next 99 greater than or equal to 1 true. 98 greater than or equal to 1 true and so on. 1 greater than 1 also true. So 100 times pass. Next to 0 greater than or equal to 1 fail. So 100 times. So the time complexity of this program is, right? See this one. Always if you subtract 1, n by 1. Always if you subtract 1, n by 1. Suppose assume that always if you subtract 10, n by 10. Suppose assume always you subtract by 100, n by 100. N by 100. Just wait. Yeah. So if you subtract always 100, n by 100. If you subtract always 1001, n by 1001. It is one. Addition, subtraction same. Addition, if you want to add, start I small, then keep on add. If you want to do subtract, start from big number, then keep on decrement. Addition, subtraction same. Suppose if you subtract always by 1, n by 1. If you subtract always 100, n by 100. If you subtract always 1001, n by 1001. This is nothing but 1 by 1001 into n. This is nothing but order of n. Careful. Careful. It will come, everything will come, everything will come. Everything will come. Yeah, can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Yeah, you can write theta of n also, big O of n also, omega of n also, all same. Some point of time they will differ, right? Definitely there is some change, right? Otherwise, what is the need of same symbol many times? There is some change, correct time we will discuss. Definitely there is a change, correct time we will discuss. Yeah, can I move to next? Can I move to next? If it is okay, please type okay. Please write type, please type go next. Please type go next. Please type go next. Please type go next. Yeah, fine. So let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. Example 10. Example 10. Main. Example 10 main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I minus 50. So what is the answer? So what is the answer? I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I minus 50. Then what is the answer? Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Can you say real time complexity? Actual time complexity, say. What is the actual time complexity? What will be the actual time complexity? What will be the actual time complexity? I want actual, no big O, no omega. No big O, no omega. Actual means give actual. Actual means please give actual. What is the actual answer? I think first 5 subtracted, next 7 subtracted, next 50 subtracted. Total 62 subtracted. Total 62 subtracted. Every time 62 you are subtracting. So actual answer is n by 62. Actual answer is n by 62. Right? If you use big O omega theta, right? Big O omega theta is approximation. Big O omega theta is approximation. Approximately big O of n. Approximately, right? Omega of n. Approximately theta of n. Right? Careful. Actual answer is n by 62. Actual answer is n by 62. N by 62 is actual answer. This can be written as 1 by 62 into n. which can be written as order of n, which can be written as omega of n, which can be written as theta of n. All correct. All correct. The actual answer is n by 62, which can be written as 1 by 62 into n. Please don't by heart, right? In CSE branch, the biggest losers are, in CSE branch, biggest losers are those people who will by heart. In CSE branch, right? Okay, fine. In CSE branch, biggest losers are by hearting people. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you by heart, you are the loser. Please careful. If anyone is by hearting, please don't by heart. Computer science is so easy if you don't by heart. Computer science is so easy if you don't by heart. If you by heart, you are the loser. Don't by heart. Meaningfully study. Meaningfully study. Computer science means common sense. CSE means common sense engineering. Common sense engineering. Common sense engineering. It is not computer science actually. Common sense engineering. Computer science means common sense engineering. Please be careful. If anyone by heart, no use. If you by heart, you don't get anything. If you don't by heart, all programming become easy. If you don't by heart, programming become easy. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you don't by heart, you are the hero. If you don't by heart, you are the hero. Yeah, can we go to next? 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 Bhaiya, can you go to next? Arey Venkatesh, can we go next? Venkatesh, can we go next? Suman, Soumya, can we go next? Arey Sarkar, how can you sit idle? Sarkar, say something. Sarkar, you are the one who is running the total movie. Total movie run by Sarkar only. Sarkar bhaiya, say, can we move? Yeah, now see everyone see this. Can you help me now? Everyone see this. Let us assume that, see this one. To survive on this earth, everyone listen. To survive on this earth, everyone have to remember this. To survive on this earth, right? We have to do every day. To survive on this earth, every day we have to do work one. To survive on this earth, every day we have to work one. See this one. Every day we have to work one. To survive on this earth, every day we have to work one. Let us assume. So every day we need work one to survive on this earth. What some people will do is they will do little less. To survive on this earth, every day some people will do little less. Some people will do every day little more they will do. To survive on this earth, right? Some people will do every day little less. Some people will do every day little more. Some people will do as it is. Some people will do as it is one only. To survive on this earth, right? Some people will do every day little less. Some people will do every day little more. So every day this person is doing little less. Every day this person is doing little more. Every day this person is doing one. See, every day if you do one, after 365 days also, you will be one only. Every day if you do one, after 365 days also, you will be one only. right? This person every day, if you do little less, so after 365 days, it is almost zero. It is almost zero. This person every day is doing little more, every day is doing little more. This became 1.01 whole power 365, right? So it is going to be approximately maybe 40, approximately maybe 40. So what I want to say is, listen, what I want to say, whatever is needed every day, if you do little less, so means you are decrementing. After 365 days, you are only for namesake living. You decrease yourself. After 365 days, you became zero. No one is respecting, because you are always decrementing. Every day decrementing. I seen so many students who are decrementing each day. Every day they will decrement. If you keep on decrement, you will almost become zero. But some people, what they will do is, every day one required, they will do one only. See, starting also one only, ending also one only. That means you are dead. Every time same means you are dead, man. Every time same means you are dead. So see, starting also one, ending also one, you are dead. I wish everyone will go to this category. I wish all my students will go to this category. Every day improve little bit. If you improve each day little bit, then you are the hero. If you improve each day little bit, you are the hero. See, Sachin Tendulkar will be here. Tendulkar is here. Virat Kohli is here. Tendulkar is here. Virat Kohli is here. Narendra Modi is here, right? All the great people are here. Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Narendra Modi, all the great people are here. I wish you will also be here. I wish I will also be here. Each day improve each day. See, if you don't do, some people eating, sleeping. This means dead. Eating, sleeping. What do they use? Dead. These are useless people. These are waste. Only for namesake they are living. Every day decrementing. If you want to decrement every day, why are you living on this earth? Every day you want to decrement, then why are you living on this earth? Already we have less resources. Why are you wasting resources for decrementing? To decrement yourself, why are you wasting resources? Right? See this one. The only person, remember everyone. The only person who can increase you is you only. The only person who can increase you is you only. If you want to increase, you will increase. If you want to decrease, you will decrease. But remember, the only person who can increase is you only. The only person who can increase you is you only. Not, remember, mama cannot increase you. She can keep the food maximum. Mama cannot increase you. Papa cannot increase you. Reddy sir cannot increase you. Mama cannot increase you. Papa cannot increase you. Reddy sir cannot increase you. You only can increase yourself. Do more work. Right? Do more work. The only person who can increase you is you only. Not mama, not papa, not Reddy sir. Mama can give food to you. Mama can give love to you. Papa can arrange a little bit of money. Papa can arrange whatever is possible. Reddy sir can help you teach. He will teach for like all the people how he is teaching. He can also teach to you. Reddy sir can teach. He can help you. Mama can help you, Papa can help you. The only person who can increase you is you only. So please increase. Don't decrease each day. See, each day if you decrease, each day. So, see this one. Whenever Algo class is started initially, you have 100. You have 100% confident. If you decrement yourself every day, 99. It is a 98. Overall, lastly become 0. There is no meaning. There is no meaning. Please improve little bit. Please improve little bit. Please improve little bit. Little bit. Remember, consistency matters. Talent is not important. Consistency matters. Consistency matters. Consistency matters. So please take care. Everyone, please take care. Consistency matters. Consistency matters. Not talent, nothing. See, 1 week studying, 1 week not studying. This is the very important one in life. This is the very important one. Tendulkar became so great because of consistency. Virat Kohli became so great because of consistency. Everyone became great because of consistency. All great people became great. The reason is consistency is the reason. Right? Fine. It's okay. Let's move to the next problem. I think example number 10 over. Go to example number 11. Right, fine, that's okay. Yeah, start now. Example 11. Main. So my only intention is, listen, the only person who can increase you is you only. I want to say this. My only intention is this one. The only person who can increase you on this earth is you only. You please work properly. I cannot increase you, I can teach. Every day little bit. You no need to see this one. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. Eat slowly little bit. Every day little bit you do. Finally you will become absolutely fine. Right? Main. Next problem. Main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 50, I is equal to I minus 25, I is equal to I minus 30, I is equal to everyone is capable. Whoever there in this classroom, everyone capable. The only thing is, are you believing yourself or not? That matters. If you believe, you can do it. I can do means you can do. If you believe I can do means you can do. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? Why don't you declare I only initialize? Yeah, someone is saying, once is saying that, why don't you declare? So remember, it is not a program, it is algorithm. Right? It is not a program, it is algorithm. When we are going to the programming, there we will do. Thank you so much for asking. When we go to programming, we will do that. It is algorithm. Algorithm means normal English lines. Thank you so much for asking. Vanshu, thank you so much for asking. Right? Whenever programming is started, that time I will declare also. Don't worry. That time I will declare also. Now only necessary things I am writing. Can you say what is the answer of this problem? Once, are you okay? Please give signal to me. Are you okay? Yeah, so whenever we will go to programming, we will write the same. That is called syntax. Of the program. We will see afterwards. Right, now see what is the answer of this one. I think everyone is mentioned. First 50 subtracted, next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted. Total if you observe, I think 105. I think it's going to be n by 105, which is going to be 1 by 105, which is going to be big O of n. I am happy with that. Listen, I am happy with that. 1 at n by 105, 1 by 105 into n, big O of n, that is fine. Now listen everyone, now one more line is given. I is equal to I minus 40. What is the answer? Sorry, I is equal to I plus 40. See this one, is it positive or negative? Doesn't matter. Can you say overall value how much? First 50 subtracted, next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted, total becomes minus 105. To that add 40, it became, I think 65. Minus 65. It became minus 65, right? Okay, every time 65 subtracted. This value finally become I is equal to I minus 65. So this became n by 65. This became 1 by 65 into n. This became order of n. See the overall value. You will play game by, right? Sometimes subtraction, sometimes adding. It became I is equal to I minus 65. Overall how much? Oh, overall 65 decrementing every time. Right? Overall 65 decrementing every time. Can you help me now? Listen. Can you help me now? Everyone listen. In the program, loop is important or not? In the program, loop is important. Time complexity means loop only. In the program, loop is important. In the similar way, in our life also, see, each day you are doing something. Each day, loop means repeating same thing. In your life also, you also repeating every day. Every day you are repeating good things. Every day you are improving little bit. Every day you are improving little bit. So remember, life also loop only. In that loop, are you incrementing, decrementing? It matters. If you increment, you will grow like anything. If you decrement, you decrement like anything. Life also loop only. You no need to do one day extraordinary thing. Further nothing, no use. One day extraordinary thing, further nothing, no use. Every day in the life is a loop. In the loop, what you are doing? In the loop, every day I am improving. Then definitely at the end of the day, you will be absolutely fine. See the Reliance, every day they are improving. See the Google, every day they are improving. See the TCS, every day they are improving. Every day you have to improve. This is the only way to grow in life. If you do shortcuts, you will fall down. Shortcut means you will go somewhere, suddenly you will fall down. Why you want that? Grow slowly, continuously grow. Right? Let's go to next problem. Example number 11 is over. Example number 12. Right, example number 12. Now see this one. Main. It is a nice problem. Can you take care? It is a nice problem. I is equal to n. While I is greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I minus 50, I is equal to I plus 60. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this program? I want answer from you. Please check. This is a very, very nice one. This is a very, very nice problem. Can you check what is the time complexity of this program? Yeah. What is the answer you are thinking? I want answer from you. What is the answer you are thinking? What is the answer you are thinking? Please let me know what is the answer you are thinking. Yeah. Suman is saying, listen, everyone, I am very happy. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. You got it. Listen. So I started with big number. Overall, it is already big. I is already big. You are subtracting small number. You are adding big number. Subtracting small number, adding big number. Overall, how much you added extra? Minus, right? 7 minus 7 plus 9, 2. Right, plus 2 minus 50 minus 48 minus 48 plus 60, how much? 12. So every time you are adding 12, already I is big, you are keep on adding 12. You are keep on adding 12. It never stop. Termination condition never stop. I think it will go, listen. It never stop. It will go like this. One. First one, I value n. N greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 12 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 24 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 36 greater than or equal to 1, true. It is keep on going. Can anyone help Algorithm, what is the one of the property? It should stop after some time. Please careful. Right? This one, listen. This one, whatever I written, this one, it is not stopping. Not stopping means it is not algorithm. Algorithm should stop. It is not algorithm. It may be program. See this one. It is a program. But not algo. It is not algo. It is a program. If anyone asks you, can you give one example? Which is a program but not a algorithm? If anyone asks you from today onwards, give one example which is a program but not algo. You can give this. This is not a algo, but it is a program. This program going to infinite loop, but it is not a algorithm. Algorithm means it should stop. Every algorithm should terminate. It is not a algorithm. Whenever it is not a algorithm, we cannot find out time complexity. Time complexity we don't calculate. If anyone say time complexity infinite, that is also correct, which is nothing but we cannot calculate time complexity. Time complexity infinite means we cannot calculate time complexity. Means it is not a algorithm. See, some people what they will do is this one. Okay, overall, some people will do like this one. Overall, 12 is incrementing. I is equal to I plus 12. Some people will do like this one. I is equal to I plus 12. Oh, always 12 incrementing. So time complexity is n by 12. So finally time complexity order of n. Right? Some people will do like this one. Always n incrementing by 12. So time complexity become n by 12. Order of n. No, bhaiya, use common sense. So that is the reason starting point also matters. Starting point already bigger, you are adding. It never go to 1. Already it is bigger. You are keep on increasing. So it never stop. Some people what they will do is, right, they don't use common sense. They will use by-hearted things. See, always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Right? If you start from small number, then increment. If you start from big number, decrement. Start from small number, then increment. Start from big number, then decrement. You should do opposite. But already big, you are keep on adding. It never stop. That is the reason you cannot buy heart. Computer science is so sensitive. Computer science is so sensitive. If you keep on by hearting, you don't get anything in this branch. Those people who want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. If you want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. Right? These are the mistakes, small mistakes. Please keep on rectify. If anyone thought time complexity n, if anyone thought time complexity n, it is not n. Time complexity we cannot calculate because it is not algorithm, because it is not stopping. Because it is not stopping. Every algorithm should stop. Every algorithm should stop. Now, one small question I want to ask you. Listen, one small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? One small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical, which is theoretical? Algorithm program, which is which is practical, which is theoretical. Remember, algorithm is theoretical. Algorithm is theoretical. Theoretical way of writing program. Theoretical way of writing program is called algorithm. Algorithm you cannot keep inside computer. Program you have to keep inside computer. First write algo, then write the practical implementation in the form of a program. First write algo. Algo is theoretical way of writing. Theoretical way of writing the program is known as algorithm. If you write using some machine instruction, that is called program. Before program, you should write algorithm first. First write algorithm, then go for a program. Don't write the program first. First write algorithm. First write the algorithm. Algorithm is a theoretical way of writing. Take two numbers, add both of them, store in C, afterwards print C, like that. Normal English line if you write, theoretical way. Right? If you want to design anything in life, first algorithm required, which is also called road map. People used to say that to solve this problem, what will be the road map? To solve this problem, what will be the road map? That is called algorithm. That is called algorithm. Road map is nothing but algorithm. If you have algorithm in some language, you can implement. First write the algorithm. The problem, listen. Some people are asking, that's why theoretical. Yeah, before starting program, you have to write algorithm. For my serious request to everyone. My serious request to everyone. Don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program first. Please write algorithm first. Algorithm okay, then go for a program. Algorithm okay, then go for a program. So please promise me from today onwards, to write program of anything. First I will write algorithm. Please promise me in the group, in the chat, in the comments. Please promise me so that we can proceed further. Sir, to do anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me, right? To write program of anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Promise I will write algorithm. I don't write program first. This is the biggest mistake what people are doing. They are writing the program first. Please write the algorithm first. Everyone should type. Write algorithm, then program. If you directly write program, you go to infinite loop. Everyone. So one dog name is there. That dog name is Roni. So Roni, you also type. Some dogs are not typing. Those people who are not typed, please type. Please type. I will promise I don't write program first. I will write algo first. Please type, everyone. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. First write algo. Don't write program. Right. Perfect. Arey, you can type na. Roni, you can type na. Don't think I said dog and all. You are my younger brother or younger sister. I don't have any feelings. I don't have any bad feeling. You are my younger brother, younger sister. Right? Don't think anything badly. I don't have any bad opinion. Maybe I said dog because you didn't type. You can type. First write algo, then program. Algo, program. Right, perfect. So if you write the program directly, it will go to infinite loop. Please write algo first, then write algorithm, then program. Okay, fine, perfect. Go to the next problem. I think Roni maybe felt bad. Sir, how can you say me dog? Roni want to say, sir, how can you say me dog? Arey, you are my brother. You are like my brother, younger brother. Younger brother, I can say whatever I want. Younger brothers, younger sisters are shameless. Younger brothers and younger sisters are shameless. They are shameless people. I can say whatever I want because they are my younger brothers. Fine, that's okay. Fine. If you felt bad, I'm really sorry. Right? Perfect. Move next. Next example. Example 12 over example 13. Main Srivastava. Oh, Arey Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Shashank Srivastava. Oh, you came here also. Chalo. Mean I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say what is the answer of this? Yeah, complete now. What is the answer? Yeah, say what is the answer for this? I am expecting answer from everyone. Check properly. I started from small number. Afterwards, keep on incrementing. What is the answer? Amar is saying constant. Arey Amar, how can you say constant? Arey Aman, don't you have common sense? How can you say constant here? I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say overall how much you are adding? Overall how much you are adding? I value already 1, 1 plus 7. Sorry, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 25. How much? 41? 41. Every time you are adding by 41. So, time complexity of this program n by 41. N by 41. So, 1 by 41 into n. Finally n. Finally n. Fine. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. So n by 41, 1 by 41 into n, order of n. Remember, time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many time? Time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many times? Loop only. Our life also loop only. Our life is loop. Our life is loop. Loop is going on. Every day taking breakfast. Afterwards going to college. Again taking lunch, afterwards going to college, right? Afterwards taking dinner, afterwards sleeping, then again woke up, taking breakfast, same thing going on. Life is loop. Every person is nothing but, every person life is nothing but one loop is going on. In the loop do good things, because loop means repetition. You are keep on repeating, keep on repeat good things, keep on repeat good things. So n by 41. Now can see everyone. Now can see everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Is it right? Listen. This part. This part. Everyone listen. This part. Is it loop? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? It is not part of the loop. Listen, it is not part of the loop. It is not part of the loop. See this one. Yeah, listen, I value 1. I value 1. Then also time complexity same. I value 10. Then also time complexity same. Because right, 1 by 41 into n. 1 by 41 into n plus 10. Nothing there. 10 extra. 10 extra. Suppose if it is 100, 1 by 41 into n plus 100. Remember, one time, which number doesn't matter. Loop matter. Our goal is loop only. Our goal is loop only. Our goal is loop only. Please careful. Time complexity means loops. Loop before what happened? Loop before 1 there, 2 there, 10 there, doesn't matter. If at all 100 plus 100. If at all 10 there plus 10. If at all 1 there plus 1. It doesn't matter. So finally bigger number is 1 by 41 into n. Finally order of n. Please careful. I want to say that, right? Someone is saying that minus 10. Yeah, I think it is a minus. You are correct. Already 10 over, it is a minus. Sorry for that. It is a minus only. You are correct. Because already 10, see this one, already 10 over. So, right, from the overall remove 10. From the overall remove 10. Already 100 over. From the overall remove 100. Right? See, if you start from 1, 1 by 41 into n. If you start from 100, oh, little work is already done, minus 100. If you start from 10, oh, little work is already done, minus 10. Which is nothing but anyhow, this is the bigger number. 1 by 41 into n, finally order of n. Right? Perfect. I want to convey this one. See, out of loop, if something is not there inside loop, no need to think that much. If something is not there inside the loop, no need to think that much. I want to say from this problem, in every problem, I want to convey something. In every problem, I want to convey something. Please try to get that point. No need to confuse. Right? Outside the loop, don't think. Time complexity means loop only. Suppose assume that it is 1 is there, then answer is 1 by 41 into n. 1 is there, 1 by 41 into n. Suppose if it is 100 there, oh, without doing any work I already got 100. Minus 100 you do. Without doing any work I already got 1000. Do minus 1000. But anyhow, function is bigger. See, n is bigger because n may be 1 crore, n may be 2 crore. So it is the bigger part. 1 by 41 into n. Finally, order of n. Please take care. In this problem, I want to convey this. Are you okay or not? Check. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. All the best, my boy. All the best. Suman, you are correct, minus only. So if you okay with this, can we go to next? Why we are doing minus? Already, see, he is not starting from 1, he is starting from 1000. Oh, some work already done. Some work already done, so minus 1000. If you start from 1, listen, if you start from 1, you will get more. If you start from 1000, you will get little less. If you start from 1 lakh, you will get little less. So from which place you started, that number you can subtract. But anyhow, see, whether you subtract, whether you add, doesn't matter. So please careful. Can you help me now? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop or before loop? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Loop matter. Every day what you are doing, that matters. Before loop what you do, that is not that much issue, that much big issue. Inside loop what is going on. Every day what you are doing, that matter. One day what you are doing, that doesn't matter. Previously 1 is there. 1 means you have to start from 1. 1 became right, 1 plus 41, 42. 42 plus 41, 83. 83 plus 41, 124. So like that. But when you say I is equal to 1000, it's already 1000. Okay, little work is already done. So from the total, remove that 1000. So, right, one more important thing I want to say from this problem, don't worry that much about before loop. Before loop, listen, before loop, see this one. I is equal to 1000 also same as I is equal to 1, all same. I is equal to 10 also same, differ by constant factor, differ by small constant. I is equal to 500 also same, all same. If at all 1000 is there. If at all 500 there. If it is 10 there, 10 there. But denominator is this function only. 1 by 41 into n. Finally order of n. Is it fine? If I is equal to n by 10, remember, if I is equal to n by 10, you only say, I became functions or not. But still at the end of the day, right, see this one, outside thing don't think that much, inside what is going on you take care. Right, someone is saying, I think Goyal is saying something, let me check here. If I take I value n by 10, I is already big or not? If I take I value n by 10, I is already big. If I is already big, if you keep on adding 41, it will go to infinite loop. Are you getting? Right? Otherwise, I will try this. Listen, I will try. Everyone listen. Because of he is asking, I will try. So listen everyone, it is not n exactly, it is n by 10. So I will try this. Can you help me now? Initially I value n by 10. Initially I value n by 10. Listen, initially I value n by 10. You are always adding, listen, you are always adding. Suppose assume that initially n value already n. Initially already n value 1. If you keep on incrementing, n, just keep on incrementing, condition fail or pass. But anyhow, I think Goel loop will stop when reaches to n. Loop will stop when reaches to n. Let's see that also. Anything good we will see, otherwise we can leave it. So we are talking about constant, right? Before the loop, small constant. Can you help me now? Before the loop, Goel, before the loop, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1000, I is equal to 500. All constants same. I want to say this. You are taking functions, they may come afterwards. I don't want to confuse the people. You are taking function, right? That will come afterwards anyhow. Right? As of now, don't talk that one, because maybe in the next problem only that will come. Right? Let's see. I is equal to 1000. Listen, I is equal to 1000, or I is equal to 10, or I is equal to 500, or I is equal to 1. All are same. The only thing is differ by constant. That will come anyhow afterwards. Right? There. Right? Goel will think about it, because if I keep on going here and there, people will confuse. Right? Let me say clearly one by one. If I keep on jumping for you, people will confuse. Anyhow, they will come. Since one, keep any constant, doesn't matter. Keep any constant, it doesn't matter. Entire program is a function of n. Yeah, whatever it is. Is it okay? So can you help me know time complexity of this program? In the next problem, anyhow, whatever Goel is saying, it will come. We will see there. Can we move to next? Someone is saying n by 10 plus 41. N by 10 plus 41. We will see anyhow that. Venkatesh, we will see anyhow that one. We will see anyhow that one. Are you okay till now? If you okay, please say okay. In the next problem, Goel thing will come. We will discuss. Next. Can we go next? The answer is n. Can we go next? Right. Now, so I think 13 programs are over. Listen. I think 13 programs are over. 13 programs are over. Can you help me one small line? Everyone listen. Can you help me one small line? Can you help me one small line? What is the time complexity of 12th program? What is the time complexity of 12th program? Can you say what is the time complexity of 12th program? Time complexity of 12th program. We are already done. It is the 12th program. What is the time complexity of 12th program? Infinite loop. Infinite loop. It is not an algorithm. No time complexity because it is not an algorithm. 12th program time complexity we cannot calculate because it is not an algorithm. Right? Fine. Can you go to 11th program? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? Once is asking, ask someone. Array, see, if we are doing good work, they will come. Everyone will join if you are doing good work. If you don't do good work, no one will come. One shoe, they only will come. Soon everyone will come, don't worry. Do good work, all will follow you. Yeah, what is the time complexity of this problem? Please help me, time complexity of this problem. Let me know time complexity of this program. So if you see this program, time complexity of this program, you see this one, time complexity of this program is n by 65. Time complexity of this program is n by 65. See, time complexity of this program is n by 65. 1 by 65 into n, order of n. Time complexity of this program is n by 65. 1 by 65 into n, order of n. Right? Fine. Everyone know n by 65. Listen now. Because of here n is there, listen. Because of here n is there, n by 65. Because of here n is there, n by 65. Here if at all n square there, if at all here n square there, n square by 65. N is there, n by 65. N square there, n square by 65. Suppose here log n is there. Here log n is there. This place log n there. Log n by 65. Suppose in this place n by 10 is there. It is going to be n by 10 by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. So n by 65 also order of n. N square by 65 order of n square. Log n by 65 order of log n. N by 10 by 65 it became n by 650. N by 650 which will become order of n. This is what Goyal asked. This is what Goyal is asking. You got? Whatever is there, if n is there, n by. If n square is there, n square. If n square is there, n square. Like that. So can I help you now? Minus 5 plus 5 both are same. They both will cancel each other. Minus 5 plus 5 they both will cancel each other. Minus reverse is plus. Plus reverse is minus. If you have a big number, subtract so that loop will stop. If you have a big number, subtract so that loop will be stopped. If you have small number, add so that loop will be stopped. At the end of the day, bigger subtract, smaller add, right? So that loop will be over. Addition reverse is subtraction. Subtraction reverse is addition. We are not interested here addition or subtraction. We are interested here loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Someone is saying, right, sir, with loop, with while loop, use n instead of. No, previously also see this one. Everywhere see. Everywhere we are using see this one. I is equal to n. Can I help you now? This program if you observe, always 62 subtracting. So if n is there n by 62, if n is there n by 62, in the place of n square there n square by 62. In the n square log n is there log n by 62 like that. Whatever is there by 62. It is also C. Listen, it is also C. Starting from big number, always subtracting this. N by 1001. If at all n square, if it is n square by 1001. That is the reason I used to say don't by heart. Meaningfully study. Everything okay. Just meaningfully study. Everything okay. With while loop, use n instead of 1. What you are talking? With while loop, use n instead of 1. Everything is while only. Na? How can you say this? Everything is while only. See, everywhere while. What is the meaning of, right? Use 1 instead of n. Everywhere while only. Every problem is while only. Now, come to this problem. Listen, come to this problem. Everyone listen, come to this problem. In this problem, every time you are adding, listen, every time you are adding 41. Every time you are adding 41. In this problem, every time you are adding 41. Careful, every time you are adding 41. So time complexity of this program became n by 41. Suppose n by 41, if at all here n is there, n by 41. If n there, n by 41. Suppose here n square there, n square by 41. N square there, n square by 41. Here n cube there, n cube by 41. Don't think much about before loop. Don't think much about before loop. Right, fine. N is a big number. N is a big number. N is a big number. Is it okay? Fine. So let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. In today's class, it is the problem number 4. In today's class, it is the problem number 4. Problem number 4. Problem number 5. Problem number 6. Problem number 7. Eight, 9, 10. Everyone have to write notes. Everyone have to write notes. If anyone, this is the very important one. Please follow this. It is a very important one. Please follow this. It is a very important one. Please follow. Please follow this. Everyone have to follow this. Problem number 10. Problem number 11. Problem number 12. Problem number 13. So 13 problems we done. We done 13 problems, right? Please go through all of them one time. Please go through all of them one time. Don't confuse, right? If anything is confusing, you can ask me, right? This is my WhatsApp number, you can ask me. If anything is confusing, you can ask me. Please go through it one time. See, in the loop, suppose it is an increasing loop. In the loop, always you are incrementing by 41, right? N by 41. Suppose if n place n square there, n square by 41. N place n cube there, n cube by 41. In the loop, always you are subtracting 41. Loop is going on subtraction. Right? In the n is there, n by 41. If n plus n square by 41. Right? Fine. Like that it is going on. I hope you got all these 13 problems. Please take care. Any small doubt also there, you can ask me. Yeah. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Right? If anyone is not taken subscription, right? So, see, so I think 2 more classes left out. 2 more classes left out. 2 classes left out. 2 classes left out. Everything will be done in the app only. Everything, right? This class, yesterday's class, this class combinedly. I will keep in the app. This class, yesterday's class, combinedly I will keep app, right? So unnecessary things I will delete. So combinedly I will keep in the app, right? Yesterday's class, this class. Yesterday we are taken only half, right? 1.5 hour. Today is I think 2 hours. Combinedly 3.5 hours. I will make in one class. I will make in one class. Right? Fine. Is it fine? So how to access recording lecture in EPT app? Yeah, I think already one class kept, Suman. Suman, we are already kept one class, right? We are already kept one class in the recording. Is it there? We are already kept one class in the recording. Is it there or not? DSA people can access. Right? Next one. GATE people can access. It is already kept. So everything will come. Sukesh, as of now, app is there. Within few days, right? Website also will come. Within few days, website also will come. Mobile, right? So web version also will come. As of now, app is there. Yeah, can we stop the class? Any doubt there? Please revise. Please revise one or two places. If you have doubt, please go through it. Right? Sometimes, right, one or two problem will trouble you. It is indirectly checking. They will check you. They will check you. Right? Are you really? Right? Are you really following? Are you really capable? Sometimes some problems will challenge you. Whenever challenge will come, don't leave. Right? Try little bit hard. Yeah, so both will come, right? App will come and right, web also will come. App and web both will come, don't worry. App is already there. So if anyone is not able to access, please let me know. You can ping me in the WhatsApp. Sir, I am not able to access. Sir, I am facing this problem. Please let me know. I will help you. I will inform to developers. This is the problem someone is facing. Resolve it. They will resolve it. Yeah, can we stop now today's class? Can we stop today's class? If anyone is not taken, please take the subscription. See, very soon maybe rates may increase also. I don't know. Very soon rates may increase also. If anyone is not taken, take. If anyone is not taken, take. Very soon, right? Maybe, right? Prices of all these batches may increase. Right. Can we stop now? Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Within 6 to 8 months, right? GATE syllabus will be over. Within 3 months, DSA syllabus will be over. So plan accordingly. Plan accordingly. Okay. Yeah, you can say to me, Suman, you can inform me, right? I will inform to them. What are the timings of these GATE classes? Right? So this algo is over. GATE and DSA classes are different. Right? DSA people will go to practice classes. Right? GATE people will go to after DSA is over. DSA people will go to practice classes. GATE people will go to next subject. GATE people will go to next subject. So in the next batch it will increase. In the next batch it will increase. Right? So those people who want to start, they will, right? My suggestion is please go ahead now itself. Afterwards, don't blame me. Afterwards, don't blame me. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. See you in the next class.